Welcome to Facta, an enterprise of automated accounting and finance solutions for QuickBooks users. Get ready to say goodbye to Excel worksheets, reconciliations, and month-end frustration as I show you how you can close your books in minutes in complete serenity with Facta. This is the Facta dashboard for our prepaid sync product where an awesome month-end close begins. We are currently closing out the month for April, and what this is showing is my prepaid account with my QuickBooks balance, my Facta balance from March, and the difference between the two, which is going to be due to new prepaids that have been added in April that just need to be scheduled out for amortization. So to do that, I'll click on the Schedule Prepaids button. And from there, I now have a list of all of the prepaids that have been added to my account that need to be scheduled out during this month, as well as prepaids that have already been scheduled from prior periods that I've closed out that are still going to be amortized during this month and future months. To schedule out one of these prepaids, what I'll do is I will take a look at what the expense account is, and I'll add it if it needs to be added. So each of these will have an expense account of software subscriptions, as this is my software account. So I'll put that in here. You can then choose to add a class if you wish, and then you just need to choose your amortization dates. This one is for my May bill, so I will change my amortization dates to be for May. And then you can choose if you're going to have a monthly amortization or daily, or if it needs to be manual, if there aren't streamlined cash flows for what this amortization will be. We'll stick with monthly for this one. Then all you have to do is click Schedule. And now this one's now ready to go, and you now just have your last two to take care of. This is a 3-year subscription starting on April 8th. So all I'll do is I'll have this for April 8th of 2021. And I'll just quickly change this to be 2024. And I'll end on the 7th. And for this one, let's have daily. As it's not going to be at the very beginning of a month or end of a month, I'd like to have a daily amortization so that way it's being calculated correctly and prorated correctly. And once that's done, I'll hit schedule. And then last, I've got my quarterly payment for Microsoft. So what I'll need to do is change my date for April 1st, and we'll change this to be June 30th. And this one's monthly as well, because it's just going to be the full amount for the month, and we'll hit schedule. Now that all your prepaids are scheduled, you'll see that your current balance for your GL is the same as your Facta balance, so you don't have a difference anymore. So now we'll review the schedule. From here, this shows you what your amortization is going to be for every month going forward. So our April amortization is going to be $8,601.21. But if you'd like to, you can scroll forward and see what your amortization is going to be for the remaining period of the rest of these subscriptions that you have set up. Since this is ready to go, I'll hit Prepared Journal Entry. I've got my journal entry number here, and I can just type in JE1. We're going to post for April, and we'll post the journal entry. And just like that, your prepaids are totally scheduled and done in minutes.